put it in demo mode and let's hear it talk.